Hello friends, welcome to my channel KIRAFT Ideas Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite salad, chickpea salad. So for this salad what we need: a bowl of boiled white chickpeas, a bowl of boiled black chickpeas, besides this chopped onion, carrot, cucumber, corns, here I'm using frozen corn, tomatoes and one medium-sized boiled potato. Besides this, we need a handful of coriander, some jalapeños, some fresh mint leaves, lemon juice, salt to taste, black pepper and roasted cumin powder. So let's start. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Now I'm going to add coriander, jalapeños, fresh mint leaves and all the seasoning. I'm gonna mix them all together. Look at how colorful it is and the freshness of all the veggies. It's really good and healthy. Now the most important last ingredient, lemon juice. Now give it a good mix. And our chickpea salad is ready to serve. This is my first quick recipe on KIRAFT Ideas. So soon you will be having more. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.